Halloween day. It is Thursday, October 31st, and I've already had a very productive day. But before we continue, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Brenda. I am a 30-something that lives and works here in sunny San Francisco. On this channel, I usually post vlogs about how I'm navigating my 30s, and every now and then I might sprinkle in a little DIY or makeup tutorial, or at least I did in the past. So if you enjoy that type of content, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Going back to how I've been having a very productive day. So I took the day off from work because there was a lot of stuff going on in my apartment, and I just figured, let's just take the day off. First thing that we got off our list was we passed the fire alarm inspection, our yearly fire alarm inspection. I do live in a very old building, so the fire alarms are all interconnected to the main one, and we also have individual fire alarms for each apartment. But if you trigger the building's fire alarm, you're gonna annoy all of your neighbors. And then I attended my first NALA paralegal webinar online that I signed up for, which was quite educational. And I know I don't mention it in a lot of my videos, but I am a paralegal, and there will be a video in the future about my career and all that good stuff about how to become a paralegal and what it is that I do exactly. And I also went downtown. I had to go to AT&T. This is my fourth time. I don't want to talk about it, but I got that off my list. And since I was downtown, I figured why not go and pick up some little snacks, you know, to spend Halloween, since I no longer have little sisters that do, you know, the trick-or-treating, or maybe they do, I don't know if they still do. They're teenagers now. And I don't have any kids, and I live in an apartment building, so I can't give out candy. There's also no kids in my apartment building that I know of. So I'm just gonna be spending the day here cozying up. I'm not a scary movie watcher, so my plan is to watch the new episode of Abbott Elementary, which is Halloween themed, and then eventually continue watching What We Do in the Shadows. I had never watched the show before, but my friend Ale, who I feature a lot on my vlogs, she actually dressed up as Naja for Halloween. I've been enjoying the show a lot, so that's my version of Halloween. On my way over here, I got hungry and I got some halal guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat that and, you know, start watching videos and take this off, get comfortable. Friday night, and I'm in the exact same thing as I was in yesterday, which is my little onesie that probably doesn't fit me that well anymore. But it is Friday night, and it is actually really cold here in San Francisco. We finally got that fall weather happening. It is actually starting to sprinkle outside. We have our first official fall rain, I think. I believe it rained one day before we had our heat wave. So back in September, I think it maybe rained once or twice. But today's like the first day of, I think, of a storm that's passing by. And I don't know if you can hear the sound in the background. That's actually my radiator. I think it's been turned on. I just haven't opened the valve. I've just been chilling here watching What We Do in the Shadows. I've been kind of obsessed with that show for a bit. And I was doing a little, these things, you know, the lanyard thing, bobs. It didn't come out that great, honestly. I think I just needed to practice a little bit more. But luckily my sister gave me another one that I'm working on. No big plans tonight other than staying in because I just felt like being cozy. I think it's time to call it a night and we'll see what we have going on tomorrow. I am ready to just curl up in bed and be nice and cozy.
Across town, trying to get to you. I've been keeping my phone on no sound, facing you out, that's true. Now I get butterflies just thinking about your eyes, and that can't be all bad. Things came up, things went down, maybe turn back around. My spider sense screaming that I'm mad. A big storm blew up, a hurricane right in my coffee cup, carried me far, far.
All right, it is Sunday and I feel like I've been doing a lot of these like talking moments from this very spot. Just happens to be my favorite right now. The sun is hitting so nicely. It is actually Sunday. Yesterday I did nothing with my day. I wish I had taken advantage, like maybe had gone to go visit my grandma. I didn't think about that until afterwards. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get things clean and I'm trying to avoid, you know, spending money, so going outside is dangerous. I'll just take a day indoors. Started cleaning my windows from my bedroom and I had to lean out quite far for it. I don't know what happened, like something twisted in my back and I was out for the count the rest of the day. Like I was slowly doing stuff as my back was like, just like, you know, like refusing to move. That's what happens when you're in your 30s. Like your body just starts, check engine comes on for everything that you do. Today, it is Sunday. It is actually daylight something. Savings? I don't know. But today I ended up meeting up with Ale. We went to the Renegade Craft Fair over at Fort Mason. I did stop by Juniper to pick up some croissants. I didn't film any of it, but I did that because she was like running a bit behind, so I didn't want to be at Fort, you know, Mason too early. So got us some croissants before. And at the fair, I was like, okay, we're gonna buy Christmas presents. I didn't buy any Christmas presents, bought myself stuff. There was this really cute spot that was selling Christmas mugs. Like it's the best way to describe them, like chimneys with the little firewood and like the stockings, and it's so cute. And I was like, I don't know if I can justify spending this much money. They had like cheaper, more affordable versions that were simpler, but I was like, there's this one that's so pretty. And so I was like, no, we're gonna walk it off. And then I wasn't buying anything, so I'm like, maybe I deserve, like maybe I can spend all my money on that one thing. But I did find a trinket dish that was so cute, very fall. I'm like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it exactly, but I was like, I have to have it. It just fits the vibes for this season. And then I did end up buying the mug. It was kind of expensive, but they're charging you for the craft work. Like you get a unique item that nobody else will have, and probably took them hours to make it. It is the only thing Christmas that I have purchased so far this season. It's only November 3rd, so I've only purchased one Christmas item, and I have been looking around at like on YouTube to see like what people are doing in terms of content, and a lot of people are putting up their Christmas stuff, and I honestly don't know if I'm ready to do it. Like I've been debating. I kind of want to let Thanksgiving have its spotlight, but I do see that all of the content creators are starting to put Christmas stuff up, so I'm like, should I start putting things up? But for now, we have one Christmas mug, which I am probably going to use like crazy because it is so stinking cute. I can't get over how cute that mug is. And I bought 2 donuts, a pumpkin cream and a coconut cream donut. Haven't tasted them yet. That's pretty much it for the stuff that I ended up buying at the market. I didn't buy too much. I'm not gonna do anything else today. I have no plans. I kind of been enjoying being low-key in the apartment. I'm gonna go ahead and close off this vlog here, and I want to thank you if you made it this far for watching this video. I also hope you will subscribe and check out other videos that I have. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye.